Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Audio Explore. Today we will review the Rose Technics CERAMICS X, SOUNDPEATS Capsule3 Pro, the OPPO ENCO Free 3, the Baseus M2S Pro, and the IKF Fun Pro. First up is the SOUNDPEATS Capsule3 Pro. The charging case looks super neat and stylish. The front is so clean. They didn't even put a logo on it. It's made from matte ABS material, which helps cut down the fingerprint and scratches. Their signature gold-bedded design is practically their trademark now. They have even added a metal frame around the charging port at the bottom. Overall, the first impression is great and it really gives off a strong brand vibe. Next up is the Rose Technics CERAMICS X. Compared to its predecessor, CERAMICS X also has a pearlescent glossy finish that really steps up the design. It even has a bit of starry sky. This also helps with reducing scratches and fingerprints. However, the seam line is a bit obvious and the overall build quality feels a bit rough. There's definitely room for improvement. Next up is the OPPO ENCO Free 3. This earbud has a glossy pebble shape that really stands out. The wavy top cover is coated with a transparent layer and the bamboo green color gives it a fresh and warm look. Combined with OPPO's nature themed design, this earbud looks like a piece of fine amber. In terms of design, I think this is the most thoughtfully crafted product among the ones we are reviewing today. Next, let's take a look at the IKF Fun Pro. This earbud features a leather texture finish with a luxurious feel. It definitely feels heavier in hand compared to the other four. However, the plastic gold frame clashes with the overall luxury vibe. Why not use metal instead? Plus, plastic is prone to wear and tear, and you'll start to see scuffs after a while. Finally, Baseus M2S Pro. It keeps the capsule design as its predecessor and use a pearlescent glossy finish. Personally, I love this techie look. This earbud stem is surrounded by metallic silver ring with a layer of glass-like material in the middle. It looks great, but I can't help but feel it looks a bit familiar. For details on wearing comfort and other features, check this out. Among these 5 earbuds, the Capsule3 Pro is the heaviest and has a larger in-ear volume, making it less suitable for long-term wear. The bean-shaped shell of CERAMICS X along with the larger earbud stems of the Capsule3 Pro and M2S Pro are not ideal for side-lying wear. And all of them are easy to take out except for the Fun Pro, which can be a bit slippery. One thing that really disappointed me is that CERAMICS X and Fun Pro don't have any limit or anti-magnetic features. For earbuds in $50 to $60 price range, not having these features is pretty frustrating. I think they really need to step up in this area. So we've covered the appearance and wearing experience. Let's talk about the noise cancellation. Here are the actual noise cancellation data for these 5 earbuds. When I first started testing, the noise cancellation depth of CERAMICS X was about the same as Capsule3 Pro. However, after using the included foam tips, the noise cancellation depth reached 52 decibels, which is about 5 decibels more on average. The noise cancellation bandwidth also extended to 6000 Hz. At this level, it can definitely compete with flagship products in the $150 price range. On the other hand, Capsule3 Pro has excellent noise cancellation depth, but unfortunately, it starts to show an average of 5 decibels of reverse noise increase after 2000 Hz. The Fun Pro's performance is the worst, barely providing any noise reduction. Let's experience it together.
Active noise cancel off. Active noise cancel on. 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 Active noise cancel off. Active noise cancel on.
Now, let's get to the part everyone is most interested in, the sound quality. All the earbuds we reviewed today supports LVAC, so let's take a listen and see how they perform.
You are my warm place. You are my mad strike, set me ablaze. I wish we could stay, but I got other demons I need to face. You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark. I feel the air around me as the stars to move. I realize I never had that much to lose.
How did everyone like the listening session? Let me share my own subjective impressions first. Capsule 3 Pro has a fairly balanced overall sound, the bass is ample and creates a good atmosphere with decent depth. The mid-range is intimate with excellent resolution, though sibilance is a bit noticeable. Treble is a bit dark but extends well. With a slight touch of brilliance, personally I find the soundstage a bit small. But the spatial positioning is quite good. Overall, the sound quality is commendable and can handle most music genres well. CERAMICS X has excellent resolution and density with well-balanced 3 frequencies. The treble has moderate brightness, the mid-range is intimate and smooth, and the bass is plentiful with great depth, providing a solid impact. The overall soundstage is quite broad and the timbre is highly accurate with slightly warm. Compared to Capsule 3 Pro, CERAMICS X offers a more emotional and vivid music experience, making it more engaging. Its alignment with the Harman frequency curve means it's particularly well suited for catchy pop music. The ENCO Free 3 has a prominent highs with excellent resolution. However, the mid-range feels a bit distant and lacks intimacy, making vocals sound a bit thin, and the sibilance control is just average. The bass is on the lighter side with weak depth and texture, and the overall tuning leans towards a cold sound, lacking atmosphere. It's best suited for listening to string music. M2S Pro has slightly dark treble with decent resolution and density, but not much extension. The mid-range is intimate with good sibilance control. The bass has good quality and density with moderate depth and a nice atmosphere. The soundstage feels a bit small and the overall responsiveness is a bit lacking. It's quite suitable for Chinese pop music. Fun Pro sounded quite good with an overall warm tone. The treble has decent resolution and density, and the mid-range is intimate. However, the bass is a bit lacking and sounds somewhat soft. I tried switching to a hi-fi mode to improve the bass, but it became overwhelmingly boomy, with a huge increase in ear pressure. Additionally, during the frequency response test, I noticed about a 5 decibels imbalance between the left and right ears in the mid-range. Bad quality control. Finally, let's talk about latency. In game mode, Capsule 3 Pro and CERAMICS X have measured latencies of 90 ms and 104 ms, which aren't as low as advertised, but are still good enough for most scenarios. ENCO Free 3 does not have a game mode and has a latency of 152 ms in normal mode, so it's unsuitable for FPS and rhythm games. M2S Pro and Fun Pro both exceed 350 ms in normal mode with their game modes around 200 ms, also unusable for FPS and rhythm games. And Fun Pro claims to have Bluetooth 5.4, but the upgrade from 5.3 to 5.4 does not really affect the latency much. In terms of battery life, Capsule 3 Pro and CERAMICS X performs the best. CERAMICS X has a slightly better single earbud battery life, but its total battery life is a bit lower. With moderate use, both earbuds should easily last for a week. Additionally, Ceramic X features super fast charging. It means that even if the battery is completely dead, a 10 to 15 minute charge can give you enough power for the whole day. The battery life of the other three earbuds is quite average. You can check the specific data in the table. In summary, Rose Technics Ceramic X excels in sound quality, noise cancellation, and battery life. With its latency also being above average, whether you're into listening to music, gaming, or need effective noise cancellation, it's a highly recommended choice. Compared to the previous generation ceramics, its features and quality have improved significantly. However, the build quality is a bit lacking, missing some of the refinement and brand recognition of major manufacturers. But if that does not bother you, I highly recommend it, especially considering its price of just $46 US. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.